Good news! Look who's feeling better!
Your boy's back.
Welcome back to Jack and Lindsay, Cambodia edition!
Okay, so we are now officially on day
7.
7.
It's been a rough few days for me.
How are you feeling, JP?
Not too bad. But I feel great. I'm
Now-
not quite 100%, but I'm better.
But now I don't have to feel so lonely. So
Yeah,
today
still work.
we are heading out for to the pepper plantation and a cooking class. So luckily JP's feeling better, so we can go together.
Still not 100%, but one more nap.
Yeah.
Got a bit of cold, but apart from that,
Yeah.
all good.
Seen anything you fancy, JP? It does smell good, doesn't it?
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
What's that one?
Just green Kampot pepper.
Oh, it smells spicy. It's Kalango.
Oh. Give us the verdict.
Oh god, that goes right up your nose.
Strong?
It smells mustardy.
Mustardy? Is mustardy a word?
Kind of.
Pepper pineapple.
Just don't call
Yeah. I might have to buy some.
You like,
$4.50.
you like it that much?
It's a lot better.
Ready to do some cooking. As part of our experience at La Plantation, we took part in a Khmer cooking class where we learned how to cook traditional Cambodian dishes. The chef provided us local herbs, roots and spices, all of which were grown on the plantation, and then he talked us through how we would use them to cook the meal.
The dishes we made were mango salad, vegetable curry and fish amok. First up, we were shown how to correctly crack the coconut in order to get the coconut water and the flesh to make our curry.
Easy one, right? Better class. So we'll be using the machine, this one over here, to scratch them and then to get all the meat. Not like this. And then not like this, but
We then use these shavings to make our very own coconut milk for the curry. Our group was then split into teams, each working on a part of the meal. Sorry.
Group like this is okay.
Yeah, we'll get it done, guys.
Yes, even the stem, we also need the stem as well. So this one is stem, we can break it.
It all goes in the bowl.
Okay, are you ready?
Dear Karma.
What are you doing?
I'm peeling oyster
Have you never even like
Just to let you slackers know, we finished our station and everybody had a go.
You did start earlier, and she said the mushrooms take a little bit longer.
Okay, that's fair.
why we had more people on our station.
Damn right. USA.
Merkel.
What you got?
Butterfly lemonade.
Butterfly
I don't know
lemonade.
what butterfly is, but it's really nice. Yeah, back to it. What's the verdict, Hayley?
So good.
Good?
Try it.
Yeah? Give me a spoon, please.
have a Thai girl here. Let's do this one. You can put this.
Same time, 3 people at the same time.
After our delicious meal, it was time for a tour around the plantation. What are we doing?
We're going to be king of the pirates.
We're going to be king of the pirates! But before that, we're doing a pepper plantation
Oh yeah, we're doing a
tour.
pepper plantation tour first, and then we're going to be king of the pirates.
This included a tour of the plantation and fruit garden. Here, the guide explained the organic farming methods. The tropical garden introduces you to plant species native to Cambodia and other tropical regions, the way people use the plants, and ending with the history of the plantation.
So we're using to smoke our pepper black and white, and also some type of salt, some type of garlic, and some type of chili as well, every type of chili. But we dry them after they dry. We not dry them when they are fresh.
So this is the kind of flour made on the thermometer.
Are you hot? It's a bit warm today.
It is.
31 degrees.
No, it's 31 degrees at 10 o'clock, and that was midday.
We're gonna go taste some peppers.
Hell yeah. Last up on our tour, a pepper and spice tasting session. Here we got to taste a whole load of different items that are grown fresh on the plantation.
Taste it.
Got it?
How was it?
It's nice, that one.
And then you can double side it. Yeah, I'm using the smoked chili. I tried those too.
We're doing a bit of shopping.
That little Red Riding Hood.
After our tasting session.
But then, yeah, I really like that one. Oh, is that only a 50-gram one? Oh,
Yeah? How much is it?
$5.
Ah, that's not bad.
So I might just get that instead.
Yeah?
I picked up that and I was like, well, yeah, $10. Well, I might as well get that.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh, that's the email thingy.
Back at the room and
Oh, Jesus.
exhausted. Oh, are you exhausted?
Yes.
There's a barrel of laughs. It's 6:10. I'm showered and napped. I'm gonna brave going downstairs for food. We're meeting at 6:30 to go out for tea tonight.
16.
Yeah, the rusty keyhole.
Yeah, because
Oh. Oh wow.
hold it.
Isn't it working?
Hold your pork rib.
Hold it.
Hold it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
You both look a bit nervous.
Do I just start?
What are you doing there, JP?
Dino rib challenge.
An hour?
I knew it.
I was like 20.
You feeling defeated?
The honey
No,
glaze
not
is
yet.
awful.
Jake's
How
the
did
kind of
you
man that I
do?
want to be when I grow up.
Jake.
Water. Yes, now swallow.
Yay!
Only this much left.
You're a disgrace.
I know.
The Dorian roundabout. We're on the hunt for snackies for our journey tomorrow. What you got there?
A sushi.
And
a big slurp.
And how much does your big slurp cost?
Like $1.
Got the snackies for tomorrow.
Hell yeah, baby.
Everyone's bags are filled with chocolates.
Ours isn't.
What we got to do when we get back?
Pack.
And then sleep. Up at 6:30 in the morning?
No, we're leaving at
Leaving at
half
6:30 in the morning.
So we're meeting at like 6.
The wires on that. So I think this might be the first time we've ended the vlog properly for a few days now, actually.
Yeah.
But what have we done today?
So we've been around the pepper plantation, tried pepper ice cream and stuff like that.
Yeah, pepper ice cream. That was nice, wasn't it?
Like tasted like loads of different kinds of pepper, which was strange. Never thought I'd go to a pepper tasting.
Yeah, when I heard we were doing a pepper tasting, I was thinking like fresh peppers, not like peppercorns.
But they all tasted different.
Yeah.
We did a cooking class. That was really fun, and the meal was nice. I still wasn't feeling great, so I didn't eat a lot.
But the flavours were all really, really good.
Really good. And then we came away from there, chilled out for a little bit, and then we've all just been to the Rusty Keyhole.
Yeah.
Which was a nice meal. I tried an eating challenge, but I'm still not 100%. I thought I was, but I'm not. I got about halfway through it and thought to myself, this is a mistake. I can't eat anymore. So yeah, it looked like I wimped out on that. But next time I do an eating challenge, I promise to do better.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
But yeah, so we're just it's an early morning for us tomorrow, so we're just gonna chill out. We've packed most of the stuff now, so it should just be a case of quickly zipping up the case in the morning. And then we're leaving at 6:30 for a 4-hour bus ride to the ferry port, an hour on the ferry port, and then we're going to the island of, what's it called?
I don't know.
Koh Trong? I can't remember.
I'm just in it for the ride.
So we will see you in the morning.
See you in the morning, guys.
Yeah, it is. It smells good. Oh, crap, dropping my phone, it's too slippery. Too sweaty.
Wait. I think we're short. That'll take us up to 6.
You pressed 6 by mistake.
I thought it was a G.
Oh, it's taking us down.
Feeling better, but not quite there.
We're gonna go taste some peppers.
Hell yeah. Yes. And that'll only be the second spiciest thing of the day.
Why?
Because you're number 1. Damn. Such spice, such sass. Look at that girl go.
JP. Love that.
Lindsay's been slacking while I've been poorly, so.
We'll do a big intro to the vlog.
I'm down.
I did a private one in the dent room. Like, that sounds weird.
Yeah, I did that. Oh yeah, by the way, subscribe to our OnlyFans as well. Yeah.
This is a non-judgment station, so all your pips and clips, you can take them back to your table.
You got it, thank you.
That's cute.
Nice. All for me. I'm gonna be king of the pirates.
Yay!
How does it feel?
I don't like it.
How does it feel to be the poorly one?
I don't like it one bit. I dribbled water that much.
No, you didn't. Bless. We've got another fallen soldier.
I'm gonna shower and hope it wakes my head up.
Okay.
My head is pounding.
Okay, go and hop in the shower.